Hi, in this video I'd like to speak about the relationship between the university and the community towards being both great and good. In my conversations around the city, people have mixed feelings about the university. On the one hand, people love and adore our university. They know that it does so much great work in the world, that it's all of the great research that happens at the university, all of the wonderful students that are at the university, and they see all the great benefits that it brings to the city in terms of wages and so forth. On the other hand, many people are frustrated with the university. They see it as the source of lots of things that are difficult for our city, from creeping gentrification to the impact on housing costs, and to dominating the visual landscape as well. So there's definitely mixed feelings. Last October, President Jim Ryan at the university commissioned what he called a UVA Community Working Group, and they finished their report and published it this winter, and it's available online. Just Google UVA Community Working Group. The report doesn't take long to read. It's very well done. And the report recommended to the university that it focus on four things in its relationship with Charlottesville and Albemarle County. The first was jobs and wages. So the university has already done a living wage increase and is working on that for its contractors, I understand. Also, the hope that the university can provide more job opportunities towards people in the community, particularly marginalized communities, and the training that would be necessary so that people can get their first foot on the ladder, so to speak, of higher income. The second piece was affordable housing. The notion here is that UVA should work with partners in the community to come up with practical housing solutions. One suggestion that I've heard that bears merit, I think, is requiring both first and second year students to live on grounds. The impact that would make on the housing market, I think, would be significant. The third is public health care. There are significant disparities in public health care in our community. Just right outside a world-class hospital, you'll have really terrible health outcomes in the African American community. Then education for our children, that the university should do more to help children that need particularly early childhood intervention. The report emphasizes that all partnerships should be grounded in the following things: grounded in equity, that they should be community-centered, that they should foster long-term relationships, they should be built on cultural humility, I think is a really great point. They should prioritize progress and results. The report also makes the point about institutional accountability at the university. Of course, it's one thing to say you want to do well, it's another thing to follow through on your commitments. And so the report recommends a VP level position called the Vice President of Community Partnership is what they suggest, and that would oversee an Office of Community Partnerships and Social Impact. The community loves the university, and they want the best for the university, and they hope for reciprocity on that. And the university is filled with so many people with goodwill and good intent. I feel like this is an auspicious time, particularly with our new president, with the new president at the university, to be able to move forward on this. So I think we should, everyone in the city should wish President Ryan the best as he works towards making the university be a better partner with the city. Thanks for watching.